guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SG. So let's do another word problem on fraction. Let's start with reading the question first. Ron has 162 candies. He gave 1 by 3 of it to his sister and 1 by 6 of the remainder to his friends. How many more candies did he give his sister than his friends? Okay, so what we have here is there is a boy Ron, and he is having 162 candies in all, in total, and out of these he gave 1 by 3 to his sister and 1 by 6 of the remainder. Okay, this is important. He doesn't give 1 by 6 of the total, he gave 1 by 6 of the remainder. Remainder means whatever he has given to his sister. After that, after giving to his sister, whatever is left is remainder, right? So of the remainder he gave 1 by 6 to his friends. So we have to find how many more candies did he give to his sister than his friends. Okay, so let's start. Let's draw a model. Let's quickly draw a model for this. Okay, so let's say this one is going to represent the total number of candies Ron is having. Okay, so let's say this is the total number of candies Ron is having. Okay, and then since he gave 1 by 3 of it to his sister, right? So at first we should divide it into 3 equal parts so that one part we can give to his sister, right? So let's divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, doesn't look like it doesn't look like equal. Let's try again one more time. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's say these are equal. So these are the 3 equal parts, and one out of it, right, one out of it he has given to his sister. So let's say this one, this part he has given to his sister. So let's quickly label it. So this one he has given to his sister. Okay, so what we have left here, so all this is the remaining, right? So we can say this is remaining, right? This is the remaining. If you observe here, right, there are only two units left, right? Two parts of whatever he is having is left. However, here in the question they are saying he gave 1 by 6 of the remainder to his friends. That means we should be having 6 parts here, 6 units here. Okay, but what we have here is 2 unit. So how do we convert these 2 unit into 6 unit, right? How do we convert 2 unit into 6 unit, right? We can do that by dividing each of these unit into three parts further, right? Because 2 times 3 gives us 6, right? 2 times 3 gives us 6. So let's divide each of the remaining parts, right, each into 3 equal parts. Okay, right, now we have divided the remaining units into 6 equal parts, but then we have to do the same for what he has, the unit which he has given to his sister, right? So her sister's unit should be also divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, now back to the remaining part. We know that he gave 1 by 6 of the remaining part to his friends. So let's say this is one of the part, right? So let's label it quickly to know like how many units in total we have finally, right? So we have these many, right? We can count it quickly. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In total there are 9 units, out of which he gave 3 unit to his sister, okay, and 1 unit to his friend. So we can show it here. Okay, so these 3 unit to his sister, and let's say this one he gave to his friends. Okay, so let's label it. This one he gave to his friends. Okay, this one he gives to his friend, and in total he is having how many units? In total he is having 9 units, right? So in this is altogether 9 units, right? Now 9 units we know that uh, it should be 162 candies. Why? Because that is the total number of candies Ron is having, right? And we know that in terms of unit he is having in total 9 units. So we can, from there we can say that 9 units is equal to 162, right? So how much will be 1 unit? 1 unit will be 162 divided by 9, right? So that will give me, okay, that will give me 162 divided by 9 will give you 18. Okay, that will give you 18, right? And if you see carefully, right, that's his friend's amount, right? His friends got 1 unit. That means his friends got 18 candies. So we can write here, that this is what his friends got, right? Now let's read the question. How many more candies did he give his sister than his friends? So we already know how much his friends got from him. Now we have to know how much his sister got from him, so that later we find the difference between the two, right? So how many units her sister got? Clearly from here, 3 units, right? So we can simply calculate how much will be 3 units. That is 3 times 18, right? And that will give you 54. So her sister has got 54, okay, 54 candies. And then we can quickly find the difference between the two, because we have to find out how much more her sister got from her friend. See, we know her sister has got 54 and the friends have got 18, right? She has got more, right? Her sister has got more. So if we just find the difference between the two, we can find how much more her sister has got than his friends. So let's do that. So let's subtract 18 from 54. That will give you 36. Okay, that means his sister has got 36 more candies than his friends. Okay, some of you might want to do it in slightly another way. See, you here her sister has 3 units. His sister has 3 units. His friends have 1 unit. So in difference in terms of unit is how much? 3 unit. Okay, 3 unit minus 1 unit is 2 unit, right? So the difference in terms of unit is 2 unit. If you could have directly calculated the how much more his sister is having than his friend by calculating 2 units. See, 1 unit is 18. So 2 unit will obviously be 2 times 18. That could have also given you 36. Okay, so there are 2 ways. It's up to you which one you want to use. Okay, you will get the same answer. Okay, so let's write our answer quickly. Okay, so basically his sister, right, his sister got how many more candies? 36 more candies than his friend, right, than his friends. So that's our solution. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.